Okay, let's go to the festival. What name, Shaira, festival? Tirakan festival in the Philippines, Angeles City. Rain already stopped. A little bit heavy, but it's okay. We can use umbrella. Okay, Shaira, thank you. Sorry if video quality not so good, but we cannot wait more time because maybe rain big start. I don't know. Some of people going to walking street also. MacArthur Highway closed right now. Yeah, don't have rain. Yeah, don't have rain right now.
So you need to use
I use because camera. All traffic turn left. So many security now. This red t-shirt is security. We already have tickets, thank you. Hi. Yeah.
Yeah, but you don't have to wait the line. You just need to straight ahead. Sir, ticket, sir.
I have already. So many people now. We already have ticket, but Christian don't have ticket. We can buy. Ticket is 250 peso. Shaira will buy ticket for you. Yeah.
It's okay for me. She know how to do.
Yeah. Sorry guys, I cannot read now chat. Later I will try to read because I hold umbrella one hand and another camera. So many people going to the festival. This is name of festival. This is MacArthur Highway and Close Road. Shaira already bought ticket to Christian and we're going together inside. House traffic. Yes guys, house traffic now. Shaira, can you hold this umbrella? No. Yeah, female and male separate. Okay, put here. Okay. Because I think it's okay. Give me Shaira. No, maybe he will put you to you. Yeah. Okay, Shaira, meet inside. Not go far. Okay, Shaira. This ticket. It's ticket only for today. Tomorrow is ticket already not working. Only for one day. Security check. I need to show my Yes, you can open. Okay, thank you. Yes. Okay. Okay, thank you. Ah, it's for drinks, okay? Okay. We're already inside. Are you first time? I've been here. I've been only 10 years ago last time.
Has been long time.
Yeah. We have subscribers and little bit money. How much I cannot see.
It's 56 pesos.
Huh?
56 pesos.
50. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you very much. I cannot read right now because I hold. So we're going straight. Take a look.
Yeah, well, after 2 long years, Signigan Pelawating is back. And right now we're ready to attack. Oh, yeah. Everybody, bring that on fire. Bring that on fire. Bring that on fire. Everybody, don't get tired. Pump it up, hey! Pump it up, hey! Hold on!
Here. Hi. Italian restaurant. Чего?
Let's take it back. Let's take it back.
Para makasali at manalo sa ating activities. Bukod pa dyan, bawat fortune pack na mabibili, meron kang chance na makahanap ng golden ticket. Ang golden ticket natin ay naglalaman ng 500, 1,000, 100,000 or 1 million pesos. Talaga namang panalo ang buong tropa kasama ang fortune. Kaya Megan na mga katropa. Again, mga katropa, bilang po tayo ng
It's Diamond Subdivision already. Diamond.
Oi, vlogger.
Hi. Good umbrella, Shaira, yes?
I really love performing this kasi napaka-raw ng emotion. It's about wanting to go back to a simpler time. Ayan. So, I hope you guys enjoy.
puso ng community stage. Ayan, so kanina lamang nagkaroon tayo ng paglalaman kawapian ng ating Mobile Legends players. Bukas po yan ang ating mga 14 players ay magpo-move on na sa ating semi-finals. At syempre po, pag merong semi-finals, magkakaroon din tayo ng Grand Finals kung saan may chance po silang manalo ng cash prizes. Ayan, from 10,000 pesos, 15,000 pesos at tumataginding na 25,000 pesos po ang mapapanalunan ng ating Grand Champion for the Mobile Legends. Ayan po, huwag po kayong aalis kasi ba po, onti na lamang, a few minutes, we are going to be announcing the next live performance. Alright, and of course, I want to invite everyone who are here right now, mga kabalen, Kenny na kayo, Marshall Kenny, Dito Booth. Again, we're inviting everyone to come visit our booth. Andyan po, taas ang kamay ng mga nagkagandaan. Dito Models! Kung gusto nyong magkaroon ng sarili nyo, merchandises, ayan po yung ating meron tayo dyan. Hoy, maulan. Kung gusto nyo ng sarili nyong payong, pumunta lamang kayo. Mag-join, bumili ng Dito SIM card. Ayan po, magkakaroon na kayo ng very own Dito merchandise. And now, ladies and gentlemen, joining me tonight on stage is the fabulous Didi Holiday. Palakpakan naman po natin si Miss Didi Holiday. It's great to have you here. Palakpakan naman po natin si Miss Didi.
Already finish. It's the end of the festival already. Come back.
Hindi naman masyado. Mga katotohanan!
Sa palagay niyo, ginawa ko sa dumi! Ano? May mga sira ulo ka lang mga tao. Sinong bakla kumakain ng dumi? Sinong bakla kumakain ng dumi? Eh, di share natin sa inyo. Gawin natin pulutan. Shot puno! Eh, pagkakita ko sa dumi, tamang-tamang itinago ko yung papel. Destined to be siguro, no? Inilabas ko yung papel, tinakpan ko yung dumi. Kasi alam ko yung pakiramdam ng pinanggitinig. Alam ko yung pakiramdam ng nilalayuan. Kaya dali-dali, nagpunta na ako, sabi ko direct, baka kayo na ba kayo kasi wala pa akong tulog. Kasi galing po ko
I really not understand because so noisy. Okay, you say.
Ay, lang ay sige ko masama sa iyo. Mula doon ako punta dito, wala pa akong tulog. Halata naman diba? Humingi ako na kami sa daw direct. Baka pwede humingi na kami sa akin direct. Anong gusto mong kape? Yung